BMW might be developing the next generation M3, but that doesn't mean the current car is outdated. In fact, these images show that, in the right specification and with certain modifications, the F80 M3 can be transformed into a truly jaw-dropping creation. This particular M3 is owned by a member of the Bimmer Post forum and is painted in a color dubbed Atlantis Blue. One of the most remarkable paint schemes we've ever seen on an M3, the shade glistens from all angles and accentuates the aggressive body lines of the performance sedan. Moreover, this M3 has been fitted with a set of HRE wheels shod in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, 3D design carbon fiber accents, tinted windows and a lowered K3 V3 coilover suspension.